If you are looking for the benefits of guava leaves, then you are at the right place. Now, we all know that guava has been hailed as one of the superfruits as it provides several health benefits. It is extraordinarily rich in vitamin C, lycopene and antioxidants that are beneficial for skin. The potassium in guavas helps normalize blood pressure levels. Since it contains about 80% of water and rich in fibers, it also aids weight loss. But did you know that guava leaves are great for your well-being too? The young leaves of the guava tree can be brewed to make a magical tea. These leaves are a powerhouse of antioxidants like vitamin C, and flavonoids such as quercetin. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the best benefits of drinking guava leaves that have been steeped in water to make a tea. So, let's get started. 1. Diarrhea. According to a study published in the Revista do Instituto de Medicina Tropical de São Paulo, guava leaf extracts inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, a common cause of diarrhea. People suffering from diarrhea who drink guava leaf tea may experience less abdominal pain, fewer and less watery stools, and a quicker recovery. 2. Lowers cholesterol. LDL or low-density lipoprotein are one of the 5 major groups of lipoproteins which transport all fat molecules throughout your body. It is the excess of this class of cholesterol that may cause a host of health disorders, particularly that of heart. According to an article published in Nutrition and Metabolism, study participants who drank guava leaf tea had lower cholesterol levels after 8 weeks. 3. Manages diabetes. Japan has approved guava leaves tea as one of the foods for specified health uses to help with the prevention and treatment of diabetes. The compounds in the tea help regulate blood sugar levels after meals, by inhibiting the absorption of 2 types of sugars, sucrose and maltose. Guava leaf tea inhibits several different enzymes that convert carbohydrate in the digestive tract into glucose, potentially slowing its uptake into your blood. 4. Aid in weight loss. Guava leaf tea can aid in weight loss by preventing complex starches from being converted into sugars. For this purpose, the carbs must be broken down in the liver for use by the body, and guava leaves prevent the transition of carbohydrates to usable compounds. 5. Fights cancer. Guava leaves can lower the risk of cancer, especially breast, prostate, and oral cancers, due to high quantities of the antioxidant lycopene. Various studies have revealed that lycopene plays a significant role in lowering the risk of cancer. However, guava leaves should never be used as a remedy for fighting cancer alone, and you should always listen to your doctor's advice first and foremost. 6. Heals cold and cough. Guava leaves contain high levels of vitamin C and iron, and a decoction of guava leaves is very helpful in relieving cough and cold as it helps get rid of mucus. It also disinfects the respiratory tract, throat and lungs. 7. Reduces acne. Due to their high percentage of vitamin C, guava leaves can help get rid of acne when crushed and applied to trouble spots. 8. Improves skin texture. Guavas have high astringent properties, and guava leaves rank even higher. Apply a decoction of the leaves on your skin to help tone and tighten facial muscles. 9. Prevents hair loss. Suffering from hair loss? Guava leaves for hair can keep all your hair-related problems at bay. Guava leaves can be boiled and massaged onto the scalp. Guava is rich in antioxidants that could do wonders for volume of hair. 10. Beets toothache. Guava leaves are anti-inflammatory in nature and help in maintaining good oral health. Guava leaf tea works as a fantastic home remedy for toothache, swollen gums and oral ulcers due to the powerful antibacterial agents. You can also grind the leaves into a paste and apply it to your gums and teeth to cure these problems. 11. Improves quality of sleep. Drinking guava leaf tea regularly helps improve quality of sleep. It calms your nerves and quietens your mind, making it easier to slip into slumber. 12. Treatment of bronchitis. Despite guava leaves being used as a natural remedy for bronchitis for years, there isn't much scientific evidence to support this remedy. However, guava leaves can be helpful if you've got a cold. The high levels of vitamin C and iron in unripe tropical fruit help reduce mucus productions and prevent the spread of bacteria. 13. Reduction of allergies. As mentioned earlier, guava leaves have a powerful antihistamine effect, suppressing allergies in the same way as antihistamine drugs. So if you're suffering from congestion, sneezing and sniffles due to dust, pollen, pet dander, or another common allergen, drinking guava leaf tea is the remedy for you. 14. Good for your brain. Guava leaves contain vitamin B3 and vitamin B6, which help in improving blood circulation to the brain, stimulating cognitive function and relaxing the nerves. 15. Boost your immunity. Low levels of vitamin C are linked to an increased risk of infections and illness. Guavas are a fantastic way to get this nutrient, as they're one of the richest food sources of vitamin C. In fact, one guava provides about double the reference daily intake for vitamin C. This is almost twice the amount you would get from eating an orange. To conclude, guavas are incredibly delicious and packed with nutrients. This tropical fruit is low in calories, loaded with fiber, and an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Many studies also support the benefits of guava leaf extracts, which are taken as dietary supplements. Together, guava fruit and leaf extracts may boost your heart health, digestion, and immune system, in addition to other benefits. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.